Talk to God in silence. Lecture by Paramahansa Yogananda, Encinitas, California, August 22, 1943. Conversation with people requires audible voice. Conversation with God requires silence. People who talk too much are not with God, there is much less time in their thoughts for Him. Those who inwardly converse with God are outwardly more silent. No matter what their surroundings, they are habitually more quiet. Because the devotee has plenty to say to God, he has very little to say to others. When those who have much to say to God do speak, their words are of God, and are full of wisdom and understanding. When the perception of God begins, you have no time for useless things. You want to remain by yourself, God and yourself. And you do not want to waste a precious moment that could rather be spent with Him. Even when such devotees are active, that activity never diminishes their perception of love for God. Idle talking causes one to lose devotion for God. It feeds mental restlessness that takes the mind away from Him. Yesterday I was sitting by the pool here in Encinitas. There was a lot of chattering going on. But I was in that infinite light wherein the sky and everything was absorbed in divine radiance. I was practicing silence all the while. It isn't a forced state, but an inner stillness and peace that becomes a part of one's nature. Try unceasingly to keep your mind on God. Be with Him all the time. Practice His presence. Don't waste your time. In this world of activity, the daytime is the devil's playground. The only way to outwit the devil is to keep your mind with God. And when night comes, forsake the world and all your cares of the day and meditate, be entranced with the love of God. To be with Him is 1,000,000 times more joyous and strengthening than is sleep. Excerpts from the book Journey to Self-Realization by Paramahansa Yogananda.